if we look at this is the most simple setup we have. One client, one tenant, everything is handled in this one tenant, all the documents are processed there, all good and hunky-dory. But we can also support more complex setups. So if bigger clients, for example, they like to have different tenants, one for the development efforts, one to test, and one for production. And then you can link these tenants to each other so that the parent tenant would hold all the configuration, all the updates, and then you can activate these in the development first, then the test and the production. And if you want, you can go down even one level further. You could, for example, have your tenant hierarchy reflect maybe your business unit. So you have one parent tenant, then you have maybe a business unit, one for Germany, one for France, one for Switzerland, to basically separate the different entities. And under these, you could have, again, then different use cases, or a development, or a test, or a production tenant. So the possibilities are pretty extensive, and it always depends a little bit on your use case, if you want one or multiple tenants, or even like multi-level tenant hierarchies. So to recap, these hierarchies are mainly used to organize your setup, to share training for classification, extraction, as well as separation across your organization, share the configuration from the parent to your subtenants. Fear not if this looks complicated at first. Our customer success team is happy to help you during onboarding to decide together with you what's the best structure for you, give you some best practices, how our clients usually do it, and we're always happy to also dive a little deeper in the pros and cons of this. So, see you next time. Have a nice one. Bye-bye.